Today's Ilankadu news headlines as follows. International news. US Embassy sounds red alert, prohibits Americans from visiting Islamabad's Marriott Hotel. Fridged monster storm across US claims at least 34 lives. Pushpa Kamal Dahal, Prachanda appointed Prime Minister of Nepal. US Embassy sounds red alert, prohibits Americans from visiting Islamabad's Marriott Hotel. The advisory comes after the latest attack in Islamabad and an uptick in countryside attacks by the banned TTP terror group. The US Embassy in Pakistan has warned about a possible terrorist attack against American citizens at the Marriott Hotel here in the country's capital and prohibited American staff from visiting the five-star facility, of official statement said. Fridged monster storm across US claims at least 34 lives. The storm across US is expected to claim more lives after trapping some residents inside houses with heaping snow drift and knocking out power to tens of thousands of homes and businesses. Millions of people hunkered down against a deep freeze on Sunday to ride out the winter storm that has killed at least 34 people across the United States and is expected to claim more lives after trapping some residents inside houses with heaping snowdrift and knocking out power to tens of thousands of homes and businesses. Pushpa Kamal Dahal Prachanda named Prime Minister. 7 parties and 3 independent MPs led from former Prime Minister Sharma come together in a dramatic move for a post-poll alliance. Now some national news. COVID-19 scare. China returned among 12 passengers test positive for coronavirus at Bangalore airport. According to authorities, a 37-year-old man who arrived from China had tested positive for COVID at Bangalore. The other 11 passengers came from high-risk countries. The Karnataka Health Department was concerned over the development of 12 passengers arriving from high-risk countries testing positive for COVID at the Kempakoda International Airport, Bangalore, sources confirmed on Monday. IMD forecast rain in these states, temperature to dip further. Isolated regions of West Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Chandigarh are quite likely to encounter intense fog during the course of the next 3 days. 5-day fog warning has been issued by the India Meteorological Department. IMD forecast that on December 27th, dense to very dense fog will probably be present. In certain regions of Delhi, a cold wave on Monday caused dense fog. Over the next 24 hours, there is a good chance that dense to very dense fog will appear in a few places over Punjab, as well as a few places over Haryana and Chandigarh. India develops herd immunity. BF.7 variant may not be as serious as in China. CCMB chief. The official said that zero COVID policy followed by China is one of the reasons for the outbreak of the infection in that country and that the lower vaccination levels may also have contributed to the severity. The severity of the BF.7 variant of coronavirus may not be as serious in India as it is in China. A top official of CSIR, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, CCMB, said on Sunday. Vinay K. Nandikori, director of CCMB, stressed on the need to follow COVID appropriate behavior and said that there is a concern that all these variants have the ability to escape immunity and can infect people who are vaccinated and even sometimes infected with the previous variants of Omicron. RT-PCR mandatory for passengers coming from COVID hospitals, Tamil Nadu Health Minister. Health Minister Ma Subramaniam on Sunday said that RT-PCR test will be performed on all passengers flying in from COVID hospital countries like China, Hong Kong, Taiwan and Japan. Speaking to press person here in the city, he said that based on a tweet from the Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, the state government has started taking samples from passengers from these countries and even on transit flights at Madurai, Chennai, Trichy and Coimbatore international airports from Sunday. School Education Department released Rs 5 crore to ease the road to education for TN children. Students in some hilly and remote region of Tamil Nadu were walking up to 12 kilometers every day to reach their schools. A Teni story in September 21 edition highlighted this and pointed out that the funds meant for the free transportation of these children were erratic and delayed. After the story put the spotlight on the issue, the School Education Department released Rs 5 crore in October from the fund meant for June to September period.
Now sports news. Ashwin and Shreyas nail a nerve chase as India sweeps series 2-0. The pair put 71 runs for the unbroken 8 wicket to help the visitors emerge victory by the 3 wickets after being 74 for 7 at one point. Megadi's 5 wicket haul goes in vain for the host. Number 2, India stays in contention for WTC final. The India 2-0 series sweep over Bangladesh in Mirpur on Sunday consolidated its position at the number 2 spot behind leader Australia in the ICC World Test Champion standing.
Today's weather report: 30 degrees Celsius, the dry weather be cool, day will be slight warm, night also will be cool and hazy. Tomorrow 29 degrees Celsius, a dry weather to continue, day will be slight warm, night will be cold and hazy.
In Tamil Nadu, 28 degrees Celsius, partially cloudy, feels like 32 degree. Heavy rains may lash part of the Tamil Nadu Kerala cold wave over Delhi, Punjab. Heavy rains may lash isolated places over south coastal Tamil Nadu and south Kerala. Thunderstorms accompanied by the lightning and hail may occur over isolated places in Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya. That's all today's news. Have a nice day. Thank you.